Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. Okay, now the first thing you want to do whenever you solve a problem sum question is to identify. Now, let's read the question. Alf and Bert had the same number of cards at first. Same number of cards is the keyword for this question. Okay, how do I know that? Because same number of cards tells us that this is an equal stage. Okay, equal stage beginning. This concept is under whole numbers and it tells us that they started off on the same or on an equal stage. It means that I have to draw a model. Okay, I have to start off by drawing a model that is of the same size. Okay, now once I'm done with this, I'm going to read sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 says, after Alf gave away, so this is sentence number 2, gave away 150 cards. Now, I'm not going to read the whole thing because I want to settle it, or in fact, I want to solve it part by part, okay? So we know that Alf gave away 150, so we are going to show that this is 150, okay? Now, once I'm done with that, I can read sentence number 3. Bert gave away 360 cards, okay? So this is sentence number 3. And we know that 360 is definitely greater than 150, so we are going to show that it is all the way to here. Okay, so we are going to say that this is 360. Now there is a reason why I did not want to put 360 inside, but instead I'm going to break 360 into different parts. Okay, let me just show it to you. I'm going to adopt this principle called mirror image. What does it mean? It means that if this is 150, this has to be 150. Okay, and if this is 150, this whole thing is 360, it means that 360 minus 150 is equals to this. So this is 210. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is remember to cancel away 150 because Alf gave away. So we are going to cancel it out. And to also remember to cancel away this 360 from Bert because Bert gave away 360. Okay, once I'm done with that, I can move on to sentence number 4. Okay, sentence number 4 says, Alf had 3 times as many cards left as Bert. So this is sentence number 4. When I say Alf had 3 times, what I am actually saying is Alf is equals to 3 units. And if Alf is equals to 3 units, Bert has to be 1 unit. That 1 unit is what we call our hidden information. Okay, so if you know that Alf had 3 units, we are going to show that whatever that is over here is equals to 3 units. Okay, and for Bert, it will just be 1 unit. Okay, very important information that you will really have to seek this out. Okay, now remember the mirror image principle that I've talked about. If this is 1 unit, we can mirror up and say that this is also 1 unit. So we are going to write 1 unit over here. Now you can see that this whole thing is 3 units, and if 3 units is this, 1 unit is this, we know that 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 units. So this part here is 2 units. Okay, now once I'm done, I ask myself, what is the value that I can find? 2 units is actually equals to 210. Remember there was a 210 over here, right? So we are going to write down that 2 units equals to 210. We are going to find 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit is simply just 210 divided by 2. That gives you 105. Okay, once you're done with this, you can read the question, which is sentence number 5. Okay, so this is sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 says, how many cards did Alf and Bert each have at first? Okay, so we will find Alf first. Okay, for Alf himself, he has 3 units plus 150. Okay, since I know that 1 unit is 105, we can simply just do 105 times 3 plus 150. Okay, so you just simply do 105 times 3 plus 150. That gives me 465, and this is for Alf. Okay, now for Bert, it will be 1 unit plus 360. Now remember this, okay, that both of them, they had the same number of cards at first. So it means that Bert is also equals to 465. Okay, now so therefore, okay, after this, what you want to do is you want to add them up. So 465 plus 465, okay, will give you 900.